Hello everyone, welcome to Inside Lab Tech Community. I'm Sonam Kanchan, a PhD graduate. As part of our For Researcher by Researcher initiative, today I'm going to tell you how to prepare a standard curve and how to calculate the value of unknown protein sample. Before going forward, first we need to know what is a standard curve. A standard curve is a graph used to determine the concentration of unknown sample by plotting the response. Here I'm going to tell you how to prepare it by an example. These are the concentrations in microgram per ml, and R1, R2, R3 are the replicate value from the absorbance. First, we need to get the average value. For this, we simply put the equals to mark and find the average function. After getting this, we simply select this and put equals to enter mark. Simply drag it down to get other values. These sample 1, sample 2 and sample 3 are the unknown protein sample. We also need the average value for these. We select it and then drag it down to the other values. For a standard curve, first we need the concentrations. We simply paste it over here and the average value. We paste with the paste special option, paste values. After paste values, we select the concentration and average, go to insert and go to the chart. Here we plot the scatter plot. We can change the chart title, edit chart elements from this option. Here we add axis titles, chart title, etc. After getting the curve, we simply click any point and then right click to get the add trend line. After getting the trend line, we go to here format trend line, then display equation on chart and display R² value on chart. Here R² measure the strength of the linear relationship between two variables in a scattered plot. Generally we know it as the correlation coefficient or coefficient of determination. And this equation is the y is equals to mx plus c format. From this equation we calculate the value of our unknown protein sample. I am going to show you how. Here y is the absorbance and x is the protein concentration. So we change the equation by x is equals to bracket sign y plus 0.0189 multiplied by divided by 0.0147. Here we simply put it bracket, then select the value plus 0.0189 bracket close divided by 0.0147. Put enter. We simply drag it down to get other values. Likewise, we can calculate the value of unknown protein sample. I hope this tutorial was helpful for your research. We would also love to hear your feedback directly. Let us know what you think in the comment section. To continue the conversation, ask questions or collaborate with the fellow scientists, please join the community hub at Inside Lab Tech. The link is in the video description or pinned comments. Thank you.